Today we're going to be looking at 5 houses for sale in St. Mary. House number 1. This is a 7-bedroom, 6-bathroom house found in Tower Isle, St. Mary. The size of this house is 4,998 square feet and it's on the market for $495,000 US. Let's go on the inside. First, we have the veranda. We then move from here to the first living area. And this is the second living area. Next, we have the kitchen. And we're going to move right along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. Third bedroom. And this is a 4th bedroom. Out of 7 bedrooms, 4 were shown. We then have the bathroom. This house has 6 bathrooms, however only 1 is being shown. From here we're going to head back on the outside. And as you can see from this property, you do have a stunning view of the sea. That would be the end for house number 1. House number 2. This is a 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom house found in the quiet community of Boscobel Heights in Boscobel, St. Mary. The size of this house is 7,450 square feet and it's being listed for $350,000 US. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the living area. Here we have the living area. Dining area. And next is the kitchen. And next is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Next is the bathroom. Second bedroom. Third bedroom. Fourth bedroom. And this is the 5th bedroom. Next, we have the bathrooms. Here is the first bathroom. Second bathroom. And this is the 3rd bathroom. Out of 5 bathrooms, 3 were shown. Next is the laundry area. Next is the balcony. We then move from here and head on the outside. That will then be the end of house number 2. House number 3. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house found in the community of Balmoral in Tower Isle, St. Mary. The size of this house is 2,000 square feet and it's being sold for $420,000 US. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. Here we have a little sitting area. And from here we're going to move right along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is a second bedroom. Out of 4 bedrooms, 2 were shown. We then move on to the bathroom. This house has 3 bathrooms, however only 1 is being shown. Next we have the laundry area. And from here we're going to head on the outside. That will be the end of house number 3. House number 4. For this one, it's a 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom house found in Claremont, Highgate, St. Mary. The size of this house is 3,800 square feet, with the size of the lot being 33,233 square feet. It's on the market for $350,000 US. Let's take a look on the inside. And this is a 2nd bedroom. Out of 5 bedrooms, 2 were shown. This house has 5 bathrooms, however only 1 is being shown. Next we have the balcony. And let's take a final look at this property. Now that would be the end of the images for house number 4. House number 5. This is a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom house found in Caribbean Terrace in Boscobel, St. Mary. The square footage of this house is 3,500 square feet and it's on the market for 50 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. Here we have living area number 1. And this is a living area number 2. Next is the dining area. And here is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is a 2nd bedroom. Out of 5 bedrooms, 2 were shown. We then move on to the bathroom. This house has 3 bathrooms, however only 1 is being shown. Next we have the balcony. And that would actually be the end for house number 5. This also brings us to the end of the video. So guys, if you are interested in any of the houses that were shown, I'm going to be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtors and also the links for the houses. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.